Hilton. So here's where we're walking in. How much access do we have beyond these panels here?
It's easy.
It's easy?
Yeah, we can come from here and we have ultimately not a problem.
Okay, good. And we'll take the music feed from...
And I can show it to you.
Right.
We have music here.
Okay, right. Okay, so in the main lobby we have the Econos. That will feed... Okay, right, here's our volume control. Okay, good. Oh, you have a lot of speakers in here.
Yeah.
My goodness.
You can just extend.
Yeah, just extend it right there. We're here. A surface mount there in this corner.
Yeah.
Oh, you need something along here. Like how many? Like you think about 4 speakers, just a coverage?
2 or 3.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, thank you very much.
Yeah, these are definitely going to be surface mounted. I'm just going to send you some. Let's see. But what's underneath this? Do you know?
Above.
Yeah, what's above this?
Yeah, I'm going to show it to you. And that is my suggestion. If you can do something, this is another way, or I don't think you will have a lot of trouble coming and mounting it here in the corner. Like one corner.
Oh yeah, like a surface mount.
But how are you going to hide it?
See the amp room.
Okay. Right.
So, right. So this is
west side of the hotel.
West side of the hotel. What we've done before is just surface mount there. Can you take me down to this area here?
Yeah, I'm going to take you on.
Yeah, because I need to see where we can run it. That's the most logical. And you don't have any problems with noise, so that's good. Okay. Yeah, let's just put 2 surface mounts right here on the top there, looking down into the pool.
Yeah.
And giving coverage there on the path. Okay, let's just take a look out here. So this is obviously the pool area on the west side. You don't need it here? You should have it here. This is for this room, right?
Yeah. Okay, if it is there and if it is somewhere in this area.
Good.
So if we go through that one, you are in the swimming pool.
So if we go through, this is the main office here? This is the accounting office?
Accounting office and the pool included.
Ah, beautiful. Now you're talking. Good. And we can go straight out to the pool.
Yeah.
Done. Yeah, that looks good.